before you ask, because every time I make a video with some paint, I get a million questions. Go to Lowe's. Find this paint on the shelf. It's like $9 a can. Take a screenshot. There's your color code. They'll probably tell you that we can't tint that, we can't tint that. Just tell them to do it anyway. They'll tell you all kinds of stuff like it voids the warranty and whatnot. Just say, that's fine, I don't mind. And have them tinted anyway. So enough on that. Check this out. Oh, buddy. So I won't bore you guys with waiting for the paint to dry, but I was able to get that Rust-Oleum Professional black stuff on the inside of everything here. And then, of course, the oil-based Desert Tan. I did the whole front bumper and clevis hitches, everything on here. I just went over it one more time. Cleaned it up a bit. The cool thing about this winch is it's got these mounting points on the front of it and the back of it. It's got the same scenario depending on how you want to mount it. But so not only do the 4 bolts and the plate hold it on, but these ones do too. And if you notice, I did more triple pass welds, and I just basically boxed in the bumper. So now if I remove the bumper, this winch plate will come off. It's not attached at all to the inside here. So basically you have the entire gusseted plate that's actually welded underneath this giant crash bar slash I don't know what you would call it. There's a name for it, but I forgot what it was right offhand. But anyhow, got this thing triple welded on here, and then underneath it's welded on. And so the plate will support the winch, and then the bumper also supports the winch now too, because it's all tied together with this 1/4 inch steel diamond plate. And of course the front bolts will go through the winch there, and I'll use some washers to space it off of the front of there. I am waiting on the fair lead to get here today. I've got a solid aluminum fair lead that'll be here at some point today. But basically all I have left to do now is wait for the paint to dry, and I figured it was a good time to stop, good point to stop at, because this is what we got left. We just basically have to mount everything and then wire it. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to wire these without going all the way to your battery box. I should be able to do it on any of these LMTV trucks. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it works out with the idea that I have, but I'm pretty sure it will. Especially if you've already done the upgrade to the wiring on these trucks, it'll be a lot easier. But other than that, guys, I think that's going to be it for today. We got a storm coming in here that's supposed to dump 15 to 30 inches of snow at 3,000 feet or above in elevation. So you guys kind of know what's coming up here. You know, maybe something might be happening over here and here, over here, maybe, I don't know, but you're just going to have to stay tuned. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, guys, I hope you're staying safe. Take care of each other, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.